Today, the theme is Dancing with the Stars for Maui.
Every pledge counts tonight.
For 21 years of success and many more to come. Thank you so very much, AREAA.
Stewards for the Asian Real Estate Association of America, whose primary purpose is to give a voice for those who do not have it.
San Francisco Peninsula Chapter.
Enabling us to better serve the diverse interests of our community.
May the future bring even greater achievement and prosperity to this remarkable organization.
Last but not least, a heartfelt thank you to all of you for being here to celebrate a special occasion with us today. Thank you very much.
Round of applause.
AREAA and Thomas Lin. But you know what? There's a dance floor for a reason. Let's crank up the music. Let's get everyone going.